Welcome back to our YouTube channel IELTS with GSE. Stop writing band 6 essays. Let me be direct. So most IELTS students are not stuck because of the English. They stuck because they don't know how to think like a examiner. So if you still writing nowadays in a modern world, you already losing the marks. So in the next 20 minutes, I will show you the system that can take you from band 5 to band 7 plus. So by the end of this video, you will learn structure that works for the old task 2 questions, a new way to write body paragraph. So this is a game changer. And how to avoid the biggest mistakes student makes. If we talk about the old versus new system. So if old system we talk about IELTS Writing Task 2. So memorize templates, fancy vocabularies and long confusing sentences. And for the new system, if you want to get your desired band for the 7 plus band in IELTS Task 2, so clear thinking, logical structure and controlled language. So IELTS is not just a vocabulary test, it is a clarity test. If we talk about what examiner really check. So examiner check only the 4 things: task response, coherence, vocabulary and grammar. If your idea is clear, band goes up. And if your idea is confusing, your band drops. Ultimately, your band drops. So write intro, thesis, BP1, BP2 and conclusion. Just forget body paragraph 3. So BP3. So 2 strong paragraphs are enough for the band 7 plus. So make sure, remember one thing, depth beats quantity. In old, if we talk about the old structure, student write nowadays in modern world, this essay will discuss blah 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 blah. This is totally wrong. If you want a 6 band, you can write that topics. But if you want plus bands, you can go for the something new. Like if you want to go for the paraphrases. So the role of dash topic in contemporary society is increasingly debated, blah blah blah. And if I have to talk about the thesis, I maintain that position primarily because of the reason 1 and the reason 2. So this sounds natural, not memorized. Examiner will surely like this. So now comes the body paragraph, which is the main part. So this is where band 8 happens. The old method, if we talk about, it was an idea, explain and example. So that is not wrong, but if you want to try something new, you have to follow something new. So 2 basic, everyone write this. So everyone knows that it is a universal. So new method, claim, mechanism, implication, example and evaluation. So this is a new structure of task 2 if you want to follow this. So let's break it down. So first one, calm. A compelling argument lies in the fact that dash dash dash. Mechanism means how. So this operates through blah blah blah. Third, implication means why important. So the broader implication is that blah blah blah. Fourth, example. The clear illustration for this is blah blah blah. Evaluation. Band 8 line. So this ultimately reinforces the view that blah 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 blah. So this is a new structure you have to follow to get your 7 plus band in IELTS writing. This is a band 8 thinking, not a memorized answer. Let's go for the BP2 variation. Don't repeat same opening. Remember one thing, don't repeat same opening. Equally significant yet often overlooked is dash dash dash. And then continue with mechanism, impact, example and evaluation. And now comes the conclusion part. The old method was for the conclusion, like student usually write in conclusion blah 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 blah. And if we will talk about a new format, you have to start the conclusion with the line. Ultimately, the arguments rest on the recognition that blah blah blah. So always fresh like an expert. So instead of in conclusion, you can use ultimately. And there are other certain things you can also use. So the common mistakes students do: no clear opinion, weak BP2, no example, memorized lines and grammar mistakes. So fix this, instant band improvement. So the final formula to get your 7 plus band in IELTS Writing Task 2, idea plus why plus example plus result is equal to band 7 plus. Remember, don't try to sound smart, try to be clear. If the examiner understands your idea easily, your band will increase. If you want more advanced IELTS strategies, subscribe now and start writing like a band 8 student. So comment structure and I will send you a free template.